Hey guys, for math today, you are going to be scrolling down to Math Today Activity 1. It is going to give you all the directions that you need, but you're going to go to pages 78 of your Go Math Volume 1 book and complete all of the problems on those pages. So it's going to give you the examples, and then it's going to tell you that you're going to have to, first of all, show the pages and that they've been done and been completed. Then you're going to have to explain your thinking on 2 problems. So what you're going to do is click on this link and see it says click the link below. It may have you do a sign in with Google, which is fine, or it may ask you for a code to join our class, or this might be the code to the response. You'll click on that and it will lead you to a page that looks like this. You have got to watch this video first because it's going to give you the instructions of what I want you to do on your Flipgrid. Once you have watched the video, you're going to hit record a response and you're going to see your beautiful face and it's going to tell you what to do in my video above that one. So once you've recorded a response, I give you 3 minutes to be able to explain your thinking for math. So think of it that way. If you go over, it's definitely not going to take you more than 3 minutes. It's the first time we're doing it like this. This week, we're going to use a lot of different ways to show our thinking for math. This is just one of them. On Friday, we'll take a vote and talk about what we liked best, what worked best, and go from there. So that's how you're going to be explaining your thinking for math today. Once you have finished with your Flipgrid. Here is the exit quiz or exit ticket you're going to take below, and this is on Quizzes, the same website we used last week, so that shouldn't be any trouble. This is a new document that you're going to start seeing every single day on just the math page. So I really encourage you to use this math page at least once this week so I can see that you know how to make use of it. So here it is. This is what it's going to look like. And right here, I'm going to write day 1.1, Go Math, pages 7 and 8. And then I'll make it big so you guys can see it. And I gave you an example above. What this is for you to do is to check in with each other. So if you're doing this and you feel like, I have got to check in with somebody and see what's going on. Here's an example. I wrote my name and I said, hey guys, I do not understand number 9. Why are they writing the number as a fraction? So then you could come, press enter, and write back. So you could say, if you're Desiree, you could write Des, and I think it's ... So one of the rules for this is that you can give an answer away from your pages. You cannot give more than 2 answers away, and you must explain your thinking. So this would be like if we were in class and we were working on something before your exit ticket, where you check in with your neighbor and say, I do not understand this, or you get with your math groups. So it's okay to give a couple answers away as long as you explain them. Now, if you're someone who will never need this page because you are just so good at math, you're probably even more important to this page. Please check in on it. I can tell who's opened it and who hasn't. Everybody has access to this page, and make sure that your classmates haven't asked a question that you might be able to help with. As we continue to do this, I'm going to start taking points or extra points. I'm not sure how I want to do it yet, but this is going to be a way for you to check in with each other, which is why I don't care what order you go in typically during the day, as long as you start with the activity for math, not the assignment, not the assessment, not the quiz, just the activity, so you can check in as you need to. So when you're completing the activity, you've got this video to watch if you need a reminder. And then it's also going to explain to you that you should be going back in your Go Math book where they have explanations on how to do those problems, which you've done before. So give that a try, and that's math today. So to wrap it up, you are going to go to your Go Math book and go to page 7 and 8, do all of the problems, complete the Flipgrid, and then take the exit ticket. Use this document along with the lesson in the book and the video at the top of the page here called Patterns of 10 to help you with the activity and the assignment as needed. For the quiz, I did give you 2 attempts, but that's it. So those will start getting less and less, but you can go into it again. If you improved your score, make sure to write about it in your journal so I know that you saw the difference. So that is all I have for math today, and we will see you for math tomorrow. Thanks.